Dito.
The cable, so guys, the cable.
Look at these rivers of molten lava that destroy everything in their path, wiping out homes and livelihoods. This occurred in La Palma, Spain, as a powerful reminder of nature's uncontrollable force.
The lava flow here.
You can see that the telephone pole we were at, 15.3, is now beginning to burn. It's now 16:49, 6 minutes to 2.
This massive landslide occurred in China, blocking roads and causing widespread destruction. Watch the terrifying moments as a massive earthquake hits Vanuatu, Oceania. The ground shakes violently, sending waves through swimming pools and causing widespread destruction. Chaos and panic unfold in an instant. December 2024. California's Santa Cruz Wharf is devastated as massive waves crash down, collapsing parts of the historic pier into the raging sea. A powerful reminder of the ocean's force.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, Mom, back up this way. I don't know if we should be standing out here.
We got a new clubhouse, Harley. Yeah, our new clubhouse. Moving off west. I just new Midtown hangout. New Midtown.
Come on! Oh no! Oh no!
This is the moment when Guatemala's Fuego volcano erupts, catching people off guard in panic. They run for their lives as a deadly pyroclastic flow chases them. A powerful reminder of nature's uncontrollable force. Watch as powerful waves hit California's Santa Cruz Harbor on December 2024, overturning boats and destroying docks.
Coming back.
In Norway, a home was swept away by powerful floodwaters, crashing into a bridge before it shattered and floated off in pieces, carried by the relentless current. Devastating erosion was captured in Shamsherganj, India, as rising waters swept away homes and damaged structures near the riverbank, leaving residents in despair.
Oh my god.
Yo, look at, yes I did. Look at that.
A devastating landslide struck Murree, Pakistan, causing destruction and chaos in its path. A massive and powerful eruption of Canlaon volcano unleashed widespread destruction in the Philippines in December 2024.
Get out of the way! Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down! Get down, come here! Come here!
Look at this terrifying mudslide that occurred in Iran. On a clear day in July 2023, a chilling reminder of nature's unpredictable power.
ببین چجوری داره میبرش. وای.
It's a big one.
A Japanese girl was live streaming when suddenly she received an earthquake warning notification on her phone. Just 5 seconds later, the earthquake struck. Check out this powerful earthquake.
戻るか。戻ろうか。ああ、やばいやばいやばいやばいやばいやばい。ああ、やばいやばいやばい。ああ、やばいやばいやばいやばい。ああ、うわー。やばいやばいやばい。ああ、うわー。嘘嘘嘘嘘。ああ、収まって。お願い。
やば、そこの家とかやば。